check it. All right. Let's go. Heading to breakfast. Oh, it's raining. Well, shoot. Just got done with breakfast. It was delicious. Nice and clean. Probably the cleanest hotel breakfast I've ever seen. It was pretty good. Can't complain. These are the SD cards it takes to do a shoot. This is GoPro 1, this is GoPro 2, this is audio 1, this is audio 2, this is camera A, this is camera B, this is camera C, this is the vlogging camera, and also iPhone audio. Currently packing the car, heading to the farm. Hopefully we can get some shots in. It's kind of rainy. Hopefully the rain holds off. I just got to the farm we're shooting at. Alright, it's time to unload the equipment and get to it. Oh, the temptation is so bad. Look at all these firecrackers. God, the inner 5-year-old is dying. Time to get the glide cam ready. The lighting here is a very cloudy, kind of crummy day, and the farm isn't the prettiest thing in the world, so I gotta work really hard to make it look pretty. RH has found the lady that raises chickens. This is going on half an hour of him stopping in to look at the chickens for just real quick. Just leaving the farm. Turned out to be kind of nice, starting to warm up, sun's starting to peek out a little bit. RH found some chickens, and so he was all about that. For those who don't know, RH raises chickens, and he's all about chickens, like showing chickens. That's a real thing that people do. He's got, what, over 700 chickens?
You don't count your chickens.
Don't count your chickens, apparently, but he's got a hell of a lot of chickens. And this lady and him know apparently all the same people and all the same chicken shows. So that was cool. Just heading to the beach. Got some time to kill. Don't really think jeans and tennis shoes are best for beach, but whatever. First time I've ever been to the Pacific Ocean. That was cool. Just got done work early, but had a few minutes, check out the beach. Now heading back to pretty much go edit the rest of the day. Maybe lunch first. Going to get lunch. Hey, my mic's on. Going to get lunch. Don't know where yet. Gonna walk around and find something. That's pretty good. I got this guy to go walk with me. Walk. Just got done with lunch. It was pretty good. It's a cool little place here on the patio. I think we're going to go get ice cream. Alright. Just getting ice cream. It's pretty good. RH was disappointed with the sugar-free selection, as in there was only coffee. Didn't go well, did it?
No.
Yeah, not good. just getting back to the hotel. Gonna start editing that project we were on. And someone's smoking weed somewhere. I don't know what we're gonna do the rest of the day. Probably just sit and edit. It's gonna be real fun. But I got to go to the beach. That was cool. Outside shooting a sunset time lapse because I couldn't stand being inside and edit anymore. Going to go get some dinner, maybe see a movie. I don't know. I just need to get out of the hotel room. Been in there working all day. I hate getting cooped up. Just got done eating dinner. Gonna go ahead to go see Star Wars. Dinner was good. Just got done seeing Star Wars. I had a blast watching it. I'm not much of a Star Wars aficionado, so I really can't tell you, but I thought it was good.